drink, constantly killing my competition off of demolition of the foes who compose tell you can bet I will be breaking you down to the ground with no sweat. Yep, I'm from Houston, Texas, home of the Texans. Every time I sip on hand, I get a huge erection. Like one sip, two sips, three. Boing. There it is. Monster. Yeah. Alright. Come on. Yeah. You cannot stop me. I keep making hits like Rocky. Some girls say I'm cocky, cause I won't take them shopping. I just bought a new car. I'm a superstar. You won't catch me without some weed and a cigar. Or maybe a bone. Cute girl with a nice tone. Keep playing my song. You know if you stop it, you dead as wrong. Look at that crowd. Like Mickey D's, they loving it. Let me spot a dame with a pretty face and a nice ass. I'm rubbing it. This partly hip hop and partly